What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just want to do a quick showing of this keychain here. If you're a BMW guy and you like the M car series, which I do, I don't have any. I'm not trying to overcompensate by collecting a bunch of muscle cars. But, oh man, why can't you get this open? But wanted to show this to you because it was only like 11 bucks. And what you can see here, it's looks like leather, but it's like a vinyl PU leather. Man, it's pretty stiff actually. And that's nice for holding its shape. And then you have red, white, and blue stitching on the sides here to kind of match that M logo, which looks like it's a little painted in there. You know, you'd call it maybe enamel. It has a little bit of this satin nickel finish, which is really nice. Actually, it seems like pretty high quality, and a couple screws holding it in there. So it just looks pretty cool with that M logo on it and the nice color. So if you do have an M car, even the satin finish on the ring here for the keys looks pretty nice too. So if you do have an M car, BMW, maybe it's your weekend car or whatnot, you can pick this up. $11.99 is what I paid for it on Amazon. You can pick it up at the link in the description below. Peter Von Panda out.